Men today understand that personal grooming is more than just a routine. It's a statement of self-care and style. Investing in a good trimmer has become essential for modern men looking to maintain a refined appearance effortlessly. A quality trimmer offers precision and adaptability, allowing men to control their grooming routine with finesse. Whether it's maintaining a specific beard style or trimming body hair, opting for Best Trimmer for Men can ensure a neat, well-groomed look. Best Trimmer for Men. A good trimmer is an effective grooming tool for men. Best Trimmer for Men. A good trimmer is an effective grooming tool for men. Beyond convenience, a good trimmer embodies cost efficiency. By owning a trimmer, men reduce the frequency of salon visits, saving both time and money in the long run. This self-sufficiency in grooming grants men the freedom to shape and maintain their appearance at their own pace, fostering a sense of independence and confidence. To help you find the right model, we listed the top 5 best pubic hair trimmer and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. MENHOD Battery-Powered Waterproof Cordless Grooming Trimmer 2.0 for Men. The MENHOD Battery-Powered Waterproof Cordless Grooming Trimmer 2.0 redefines grooming with its innovative features. Boasting a 4000K LED spotlight and power status display, it ensures precision even in low-light conditions. With wireless charging support and a sensitive skin-friendly design, it caters to diverse needs. Its exceptional 150-minute runtime ensures prolonged usage, while its waterproof nature adds convenience. This trimmer combines advanced technology with long-lasting performance, offering an efficient and reliable grooming experience for men seeking precision and adaptability in their grooming routine. Waterproof and cordless design. Equipped with a 4000K LED spotlight, features a power status display, supports wireless charging, incorporates sensitive skin technology, impressive 150-minute runtime. Multiple grooming attachments included, ergonomic design for comfortable handling. Number 4. Zlay Ballistic TURBO 3.0 Manscaping Body Trimmer for Men. The Zlay Ballistic TURBO 3.0 Body Trimmer is a versatile grooming essential designed for precision. Tailored for private part shaving and beard or pubic hair grooming, it offers a waterproof and cordless build, ensuring flexibility and ease of use. With its wireless fast charging capability and travel lock feature, it guarantees convenience and portability. The inclusion of a 1.5mm sensitive comb ensures meticulous grooming, promising zero nicks or cuts. This trimmer embodies innovation, offering specialized features for sensitive grooming needs, making it an ideal choice for those seeking meticulous and safe grooming experiences. Waterproof and cordless design for convenient usage, rechargeable with wireless fast charging capability. Features a travel lock for portability and safety. Equipped with a 1.5mm sensitive comb for precision, promises zero nicks or cuts for safe grooming, ergonomic design for comfortable handling, durable construction for long-term use. Number 3. Philips Multi-Grooming Kit MG37. The Philips Multi-Grooming Kit MG3000 710/65, a versatile 9-in-1 grooming solution, offers comprehensive grooming from face to body. Featuring self-sharpening stainless steel blades, it ensures durability and precision without the need for oil. With an impressive 60-minute runtime, it caters to prolonged grooming needs. This all-in-one trimmer provides various attachments for diverse grooming requirements, accommodating facial, head, and body grooming. Its maintenance-free design simplifies upkeep, while the enduring blades promise longevity. Philips delivers a multifunctional grooming kit that merges durability, efficiency, and versatility, making it a reliable choice for men seeking a comprehensive grooming solution. 9-in-1 grooming kit for face, head, and body. Self-sharpening stainless steel blades for durability. Maintenance-free design, no oil needed. Offers a runtime of 60 minutes. Versatile attachments for various grooming needs, suitable for facial, head, and body grooming. Ergonomic design for comfortable use. Multifunctional and comprehensive grooming solution. Number 2. MI Beard Trimmer for Men. The MI Beard Trimmer for Men offers a versatile grooming experience. With a full-body waterproof rating of IPX7, it ensures convenience in various grooming environments. Its impressive 90-minute runtime, coupled with fast charging, ensures uninterrupted grooming sessions. Featuring 40-link settings, it provides precise grooming options. The dual-use functionality, allowing both cordless and corded operation, adds flexibility. Equipped with a charging indicator and travel lock, this trimmer ensures ease of use and portability. In sleek black, MI's trimmer embodies functionality and adaptability, catering to diverse grooming needs while maintaining user-friendly design and efficiency. IPX7 full-body waterproof rating, 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge, fast charging functionality, 40-link settings for precise grooming, cordless and corded dual-use capability, charging indicator for battery status, travel lock feature for portability and safety, sleek black design for aesthetic appeal. Number 1. Bombay Shaving Co. Trimmer Men. The Bombay Shaving Co. Trimmer for Men is a grooming marvel offering convenience and performance. With 2x fast charging capabilities and an 80-minute runtime, it ensures prolonged and efficient grooming sessions. This multifunctional device serves as both a hair trimmer and a shaving machine, catering to diverse grooming needs. Its cordless design and 38-link settings provide precise beard grooming options. The inclusion of a flash USB cable ensures rapid charging. Backed by a 2-year warranty and presented in sleek black, Bombay Shaving Co.'s trimmer embodies reliability and versatility, making it an ideal grooming companion for men seeking efficiency and style. 2x fast charging capability, 80-minute runtime on a single charge. Functions as both a hair trimmer and shaving machine. Cordless design for convenience, 38-link settings for precise grooming, flash USB cable for rapid charging. Presented in sleek black color, backed by a 2-year warranty.